Once upon a time, in a cozy village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a clever cat named Whiskers and a friendly dog named Paws. Despite the old saying that cats and dogs can't get along, Whiskers and Paws were the best of friends. They lived in neighboring houses, each with its own lovely garden filled with flowers and cozy spots to nap. Each morning, Whiskers would leap gracefully over the garden fence to visit Paws, and together they'd embark on imaginative adventures. Today, their adventure took them to the enchanted forest at the edge of their village. The forest was a magical place where trees whispered secrets and fairy lights twinkled like stars, even in daylight. What shall we discover today? Paws asked, wagging his tail excitedly. Let's find the mythical rainbow spring, Whiskers suggested, her green eyes glinting with curiosity. They began their search, climbing over fallen logs and weaving through tall grass. Whiskers found a path of shiny pebbles shimmering like gems, and Paws followed, his nose leading the way. After a while, they came upon a clearing where the sunlight danced on the leaves, and there it was, the rainbow spring. Colors swirled beautifully in the water, casting gentle hues of red, yellow, and blue across the clearing. It's more beautiful than I imagined. Whiskers purred, delighted. Let's make a wish. Paws barked softly, his eyes sparkling. So Whiskers and Paws sat together by the spring, their hearts full of friendship and joy. They each made a wish, twinkling like the stars they'd soon see back home.